Hello again, it's Sam with BlindShell, back with another video in our BlindShell Classic 2 tutorial series. This time I'm going to show you how to use WhatsApp. So the WhatsApp messaging, video call, and phone call application was one of our customers' most frequently asked for and requested applications. So we've added it to the BlindShell Classic 2 and I'm excited to show it to you guys today. First things first, as always, we need to navigate to the app. So I'm going to press down on the directional buttons.
Call 1 of 7.
Just to quickly jump into our main menu. Now I'm going to push down until we hear applications. And a quick pro tip, you can also just click the corresponding number on the keypad here to quickly jump to that item in the menu. So for applications, that's the fourth item in the menu. If I hit the number 4,
applications 4 of 7,
jumps me right to that. So now I'm going to click OK, which is the green circle, the second button down on the left.
internet browser 1 of 8,
And now we need to navigate to communications. That's the menu that has WhatsApp.
tools 2 of communication 3 of 8,
There it is. I'm going to click OK, second button down on the left.
email 1 of 2,
And I'm going to navigate to WhatsApp using that down button here.
WhatsApp 2 of 2,
And we're going to click OK.
WhatsApp.
And this launches us into the WhatsApp application. So the great thing about using WhatsApp on the BlindShell Classic 2 is that everything is read out loud to you. So even someone with no vision at all will have no problems using this app. Now, I've already gone ahead and set up my account. It's a very simple process. You just follow the prompts on the phone and put in all of your information. But I'm going to use the up and down buttons here in the middle to navigate. But let's just take a look to see what's around here.
Search. More options. Image, camera, chats, selected. Status. Chats, selected.
So I'm in the chats section here, but there are a couple other sections that I can choose from.
Status.
Status,
Calls.
calls,
Sam CB, 5:57 p.m. Hi.
and it brings us into our list of conversations that we're having in this chat window. So I'll bring my other phone in here that I have WhatsApp running on as well, and I'm just having a conversation back and forth between these two phones. So I want to click on this conversation that I'm having with myself here, with this phone here, and I want to continue that conversation. So I just highlight that name and I'm going to click OK.
Say navigate up.
And it's brought me into that chat. I will also open that chat on this other phone here so you can see both of them at the same time. So I want to go ahead and send a message from the BlindShell phone to this other phone. I need to navigate down to the text field that's down here at the bottom of the screen. And I could just keep hitting down until I reach it, but a quick pro tip is to press and hold the down button, and that will quickly jump me all the way to the bottom of the screen.
Image, voice message, button. Press and hold to record. Release to send.
So the very last item on the screen is the voice message. I could send a voice message if I want to, but I want to send a text message, so I'm going to go back up until I get into that text field.
Camera.
Camera, it's really nice. I can send a picture, which you can see that I already did once before, but let's keep going up.
Attach.
I could attach a file if I wanted to.
Edit text. Type a message.
And here we are in the text field. So this is what I want to click on. I want to send a text message. So I'm going to click OK. Once again, it's the green dot, second button down on the left.
Keyboard shown. Text.
And that brings me into my text field where I can start to type out a message. But instead, maybe let's try dictating a message. So I'm going to press and hold the button on the side here. That's the dictation button. Hey, comma, how's it going today? Question mark.
Hey, how's it going today?
And it put that text in and it got it perfectly. So now I'm going to hit OK.
Keyboard hidden.
Now, if I want to double check that the text was put in correctly, I can hit the repeat button here, which is the very upper right button on the keypad.
Edit text. Hey, how's it going today?
So it sounds like it got that text perfectly. I can even press up on the directional button here.
Emoji.
And throw in an emoji if I wanted to, add a little personality to this message. But I think I just want to go ahead and send it over to this other phone. So I just want to press down on the direction pad until I find the send button.
Edit text. Hey, attach. Send.
There it is. And now I just click OK.
Navigate up.
And we just got the message right over here. You can see it says there, hey, how's it going? How about we try and send another picture? I'm going to navigate down to the camera.
Sam CV. Edit text. Attach. Camera.
There's the camera. I'm going to click OK.
Flash off.
And now it's turned on my camera here. You can see that the camera is turned on. I'm going to go ahead and take a picture. Maybe I'll take a picture of this phone and send it to the phone.
Double tap and hold for video. Double tap for photo. Double tap and hold for video. Swipe up for filters.
Okay, I took a picture of the phone there. You can see it on the screen. I'm just going to navigate down.
Add a caption. Add media. Send.
To send, and I'm going to click OK.
Send. Camera.
And there it is. Just came in on the other phone. Has the picture right there. So really easy to send back and forth messages, pictures. You can send those voice messages, and you can do all of this very quickly and easily with the BlindShell Classic 2. And one more thing that I wanted to mention, I kind of talked about it earlier. You can do both voice calls and video calls through the WhatsApp application. So the first thing you need to do is choose who you want to call. Here I only have Sam in here, so let's call him.
Sam, navigate up.
Now I need to navigate to the video calling. It's right at the top, so I'm just going to press down.
Sam CV, 7:09 p.m. Select video call.
There's video call, and if I press down one more time,
voice call.
There's voice call. Let's go ahead and show the video call.
Video call.
So once again, let's bring in our other phone here that we're going to call. And I just want to click OK on the BlindShell Classic 2.
Start video call.
We get a little message just confirming that this is indeed what we want to do. We want to make that call. So I'm going to click down.
Cancel. Cancel call. Call.
And click OK on call.
Call. What's minimize call?
And we get the little message saying that it's calling. I'm going to click OK. Okay, and I ended the call. So I had to mute the audio there because since both phones were right next to each other, I got some crazy feedback. But you could see that it actually made the call and connected and worked really well.
Sam CV, on video call, voice call.
Let's bring in our other phone. And we're going to click OK on voice call.
Start voice call.
And we get a little message just asking us to confirm that is what we want to do. So I'm going to click down.
Cancel. Cancel. Call. Call.
And click OK on call.
Call. Minimize call.
And now we're getting a phone call on the other phone. And now we're doing a phone call. Hello. And there it displays my picture on there, it displays the other picture on that one. All right, I'm going to go ahead and hang up. So that is how to do both a voice call and a video call through the WhatsApp application. Really great, fun application to have on your BlindShell Classic 2.
7:14 p.m.
A great way to stay in touch with loved ones, especially if they're in another country. Well, if you have any other questions about what your BlindShell Classic 2 can do, be sure to head over to our YouTube channel and watch some of the other videos in our tutorial series. If you would like information on how to get a BlindShell Classic for yourself, be sure to head over to our website, www.blindshell.com.